Is your laptop dying slowly? Battling a draining battery? Infopulse Official is here to show you how to check its health in under a minute. Step 1. First, hit Windows key plus R to open the Run command. Step 2. Type CMD, then press Enter. This launches your command prompt. Step 3. Now type power CFG/battery report and hit Enter. Your laptop just generated a detailed battery report. Step 4. Copy that file path, paste it into any web browser, and press Enter to open your report. Now, watch for these metrics. Look for design capacity. That's its original power. Then, full charge capacity. That's its current power. If they're close, you've got good health. Big difference? It might be time to consider replacement. Don't miss out on more essential tech tips from Infopulse Official. Subscribe for more from Infopulse Official.